The psychology of people who cry easily. Do you ever ask yourself, why do I cry so easily? A song, a movie scene, a small argument, even a kind word, and suddenly your eyes fill up. Maybe people told you, you're too sensitive, stop being dramatic, or you need to toughen up. But what if I told you this? Crying easily is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of how your mind and nervous system are wired. Let's break down the real psychology behind people who cry easily. 1. High sensitivity, not low strength. Some people are born with a more sensitive nervous system. Their volume knob for emotions is simply turned higher. They feel joy more intensely, pain more deeply, stress more quickly. Psychologists sometimes call this high sensitivity. Your body reacts faster to emotional signals, so tears appear sooner. It's not that you are weaker, it's that you feel more. 2. Tears as emotional release. For many people, crying is not losing control. It's the way their body regains control. When emotions build up, stress, fear, sadness, even relief, your brain uses tears to release tension. It's like your mind saying, this is too much to hold inside. Let's let some of it out. After crying, a lot of people feel calmer, lighter, clearer. That's not weakness. That's your built-in reset system doing its job. 3. Deep empathy and mirror emotions. People who cry easily are often more empathetic. They don't just understand what others feel, they feel it with them. Your brain has mirror systems that copy other people's emotions. When someone cries, suffers, or shares something heavy, your body reacts as if it's happening to you. So, of course your eyes fill up. You're not too emotional. You're emotionally connected. The world needs people like that. 4. Old wounds, new triggers. Sometimes easy tears are also connected to past experiences. If you were judged a lot, felt ignored, had to swallow your feelings, or went through loss or chaos, then small moments now can press on old bruises. A simple comment today might echo a much older pain. Your tears are not just about this moment. They're about everything your heart remembers. 5. Why you think it's weakness. You didn't decide that crying is weak. You were told that. Maybe you saw adults hide their feelings. Maybe you heard, real men don't cry, or good girls don't make a scene. Society praises people who look unbothered and shames those who show emotion. So you learned, if I cry, something is wrong with me. But psychology says something different. Crying is a healthy emotional response. The real danger is not crying too much. It's never crying at all. 6. Sensitivity as a superpower. Here's the truth no one told you. People who cry easily often love deeply. They notice small changes in tone, energy, and atmosphere. They are better at reading other people's needs. And they often have strong moral and emotional intuition. Yes, it can hurt more to feel this much, but it also means you experience life with more color, depth, and meaning. Your sensitivity is not a flaw. It's a superpower that just needs boundaries and self-care. Final message. If you cry easily, you are not broken. You're not childish. You're not too much. You are human, in a world that's numb. Crying doesn't mean you're weak. It means your heart refuses to go completely numb just to fit in. Question for you. Do you cry easily? What usually triggers your tears? Movies, fights, stress, kindness? Tell me in the comments. You don't have to share details. Even one word is enough. If this made you feel understood, hit subscribe. We talk about the kind of psychology that finally explains you, not just the textbook.